Hello guys, back to my video. So today we're going to play easy of wall hop tower. So anyways guys, if you wanna see my videos on channel, make sure to like and subscribe. So anyways guys, I need to just wall hop by myself. I couldn't just wait. I should just wall hop. Oh wait, I should just wall hop there. I can't even wall hop because it's so difficult. Difficult now because I can't even do it because it's so difficult chart. Difficult shot obby or tower it is. I think it's a obby, but it's gonna be okay. But anyways, how can I do that? How can I do that? Because I keep falling. Oh my god, yes! Oh my god, I'm at stage 5. Stage 6. Stage 6 is hard, but it's okay. It's a bit hard, so anyways, I need to... Wait, I should just be a pro, I think. How? Because it's so hard, because it's very hard. I can't even do it. Oh! Oh my god, it's easy. I think it's easy, guys. Wait, wait! Oh my god. Wait. Oh my god, this one's easy. Oh my god, this one's easy. Oh my god. It's a bit easy, guys. It's a bit easy. I think I should just wall hop by myself. Yes! Oh my god, I need to... Wait, I should just wall hop by myself. It's gotta be a obby. It's gotta be a obby, I think. So I need to wall hop by myself. In real life. How can I wall hop? How can I do that? It's so hard to wall hop by myself. Again. Yes! 15. Oh my god, this one's hard. I think it's tricky. Oh my god. Yes. How can I do that? How? I should just jump higher or not? I can't even do it. Bro, I can't even do it by myself. Because it's so hard. Bro, how? Yes! 17. Oh my god, I forgot to die, but anyways. Wow, it's so easy. I like this. Oh my god, I like this wall hop. I think I know go to wall hop by myself because it's hard mode. But it's so hard to difficult. This is a bit hard, but it's okay. It's probably 9 out of 10. How can I do that? Wait, I should just do that. Bro, how? Yes, yes. Wait, it's easy. I think it's easy to wall hop. Oh my god. Wait, I should just wall hop. Oh wait, I have 19th stage. Oh my god. We need to wall hop by myself, guys. I think I like this game. Oopsie. Oh my god, this one's hard. I don't wanna fall, guys. Oh my god, this one's hard because I know go to wall hop. Wait, I should just wall hop. Wait, it's harder. Why is it hard? Oh wait. Wait, it's easy. Wait, it's easy, guys. We should just wall hop. I can't. I should. Oopsie. Oh my god, it's so easy. We need to wall hop. We need to wall hop harder. Oh my god. We need to wall hop harder. Oopsie. Yes. Wait, I should just stop lagging. Stop lagging. Okay, come on. Oopsie. Yes. Bro. What? How? Wait, I know go to wall hop by my Oopsie. Yes. Oh my god, this easy. I think I like it. I only got 21 stage. So this. Yes, sir, but word Elgin rules. Oh my god. Oh my god, wow. I think it's easy. I think it's easy. I thought it's easy. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Yes! Oh wait, what's that? How? How can I do that? Bro, it's easy. Come on, you should just try it. It's easy. Did you join me? Okay, wait, give me the music, Guys, this the easy game that I think it's a bit easy, right? I should just, off, yes! I'm about to win. Yes! We should just wall hack. Oh my god! Yes! Wait, oh no, it's hard. No. Yes! Easy! Off. Why? Wait, off C, wait, hold on, like this? Wait, hold on. Ha! Yes. Wait, I should just. Wait, I should just. Wait. Wait, guys, wait. I should just. Wait, he left. I think he left, guys. Wait, we should just. Yes! Hey, yo! 20. Bro, stop falling. No. Yes! Oh my god, congratulations. Did I just. Oh my god, I'm so glad I worked so hard on this. Oops! Oh my god. It's so. Oops, oops, oops. Oops! Yes. Wait. Wait, I need to. How could I do that? Wait. Oh, yes! I win, yeah. Wait, this one's hard. Okay, let's go. Well, it's time. Hey, what are you doing? Yes, I told you. I should just go. Ah. Sorry, but I'm sorry. Oh no, wait. There. Oh. I'm going to go. I'm going to go for you. Yes, I'm go. So let's go. Let's go. Okay. Ah, yeah. Come on, I need jump boost. Oh, yes. Yes, guys, help me. Yay. Wow. Give me the jump boost. Hello. Give me the jump boost. Come on. Come on. I will push you. Get in. Let's go like this. Ah! I falling! Hey! Give me the jump boost, you old lady! Give me the jump boost! Yes! Girl, give me a jump boost! Yes! Okay. Come on. How can I jump?
Jump ako.
Come on! Hey, just give me the jump boost! Yeah! Oh my god! Hello! This is annoying! Bro! This is annoying girl! Yes! 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 How can I shake my butt? How can I shake my butt? Just shake my butt with the jump. Shake my butt, shake my butt. I can't do it, guys. I can't do it because it's so easy. Oh! Girl, help me! Yeah! How? Give me the jumbo. Give me the jumbo. Yes! Thank you, my brothers! Brother! How can I do that? How can I do that? Oh, wait.
I did it.
Wait for me, wait for me, wait for me. Wait, let me do it. Yes, I did it! Wait, where? How can I do that?
It's trapped.
Ah! Help! Help me! Oh, where is it, huh?
Let's go right here.
Let's go right here. Bambozini, Bambozina. Wow! Come on! Jump higher! I can't jump. Come on, give me the boost. Give me the jump boost. Give me the jump boost. Oh, thank you. Thank you for my helping me. Me and my brother are helping me. Can I just jump? Is it trap or not?
It's a trap.
No, it's a trap. Where is it? This one. So this one is not a trap. Oh yeah! Yeah! 37. I need to jump higher, but it's okay. But it's so easy! It's super easy! Wait, I cannot. I can't. How can I do that? Yes! Oh my god!
Wait.
Give me the jump boost. How can I jump boost? Yes? Wait. God, I keep lagging. Wait, can I...
Jump on me.
Wait. Oh my god. Wait, again. Wait, again. I keep on falling. Give me the... Wait. Give me the... Wait, give me the boost. Wait.